Hello. How are you, students? In this video, we will discuss Eurochordata and Cephalochordata. Okay, guys, you all know that our phylum Chordata, yeah, phylum Chordata. This Chordata divided into two groups. One Acraniata and another one is Craniata, right? Acraniata are those who have not brain box, right? Craniata are those who have brain box. Like you have brain box, you are craniata, right? This chordate acraniata, those who have not brain box, they have two types. They divided into two subphylum. And what are that subphylum, student? Urochordata and Cephalochordata, right? So in this video we will see Urochordata. Guys, name only saying the whole story. Euro means not that European euro. I'm asking this euro, euro. Euro means tail, tail in bio. Yeah, euro means tail, and chordata in the sense notochord. So in Urochordata, in their larval stage only notochord present, and that notochord also present only in the tail region, right? Please, I am sharing one diagram. Please see it. See, this is our Urochordata. This is diagram of the Urochordata. This guy is adult. This guy is adult, right? And this guy is larva. Okay, so larva have notochord in tail region. Okay, adult have not notochord. Clear? Okay, come back to our point, please. Yeah, we are talking about Urochordata and Cephalochordata. See, in general we are also calling it sea squid, right? They are marine animals, right? And if we'll compare larval stage and adult stage, larval stage have more prominent chordata character. Like you may ask, sir, how exactly it is? Bro, chordata have notochord. That notochord is absent in adult, but larva have notochord, right? And in larva, notochord restricted to tail region. It is present only in the tail region. Okay, right? Then nerve cord is required or not, students? Nerve cord should be present or not? You all know, in those who are chordata, last video we have discussed it already. Those who are chordata, they have nerve cord, and that nerve cord is also present dorsal side, isn't it or not? Is present dorsal side. So they have also dorsal hollow nerve cord, where in larval stage, in adult stage it's absent, right? Then they have pharyngeal gill slits also. Larva have pharyngeal gill slit, even adult have also pharyngeal gill slits, right? Okay, and then they have post anal tail also, even, right? So all kind of chordata character, is quite prominent in the larva, but in adult, these all characters are absent, right? So yeah, so that's why we are saying that larva have comparatively more prominent character of the chordate than adult, right? Now if you'll see the adult have not notochord, right? Nerve cord, dorsal hollow nerve cord is not present, but one ganglia present, no doubt in that. One ganglia present, gill slits are present, and tail is absent. And one thing, students, the adult body is made by one substance that is called tunicin. What we are calling it? Tunicin we are calling. What is this tunicin? Bro, this tunicin is actually one cellulose like polysaccharide. It's not cellulose, it's cellulose like polysaccharide plus some proteins. Okay, so cellulose like polysaccharides plus proteins are called, is actually forming tunicin. tunicine. So this tunicine only forming tunic here, right? And that's why we are calling them tunicates. I hope my point is clear to you. The tunicate which forming their body is formed by tunicate body is formed by tunicin, and this tunicin is actually formed by cellulose like material plus protein. And you see students, this adult is sessile, right? And adult, it's they have pouch like body. In that pouch like body, two openings are present. One is in current opening, through that water enter inside. Yes, and once water enter, it's get filtered, then water exit through x current opening, right? That's why we are calling them filter feeder. They will filter water, and in that water, whatever phytoplanktons are present, small plants, yeah, phytoplanktons are present, or zooplanktons are present, they will eat them. Yes, phytoplankton, zooplankton present in the water, they will feed on them, right? In adult, nerve cord is reduced, right? But one solid dorsal ganglia is present. Okay, right students? Okay. See, adult is larva is motile, adult is sessile, and then they are hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite mean only one body produces both male gamete and female gamete. Right, students? They produces both male and female gamete. That's why they are monoecious. Fertilization is external fertilization here. Development is direct development, indirect development here, right? And then they have a retrogressive metamorphosis. Guys, what do you mean by retrogressive metamorphosis, students? Try to understand what is this retrogressive metamorphosis. One second, please. See, if we have larval stage, okay, and then that larva, after some changes, it transformed into adult. So this transformation, this change is called metamorphosis, right? Where adult will achieve so many superior characters, isn't it or not? But in retrogressive metamorphosis, as compared to adult, larva have advanced features, and that we have already discussed. Have the larva is quite superior than the adult, right? So this kind of metamorphosis, backward metamorphosis is called retrogressive metamorphosis. I hope my point is clear to you. And then they have open circulation, student. Which kind of circulation? They have open circulation, right? Open circulation is present, but heart, heart, open circulation is present, but heart is present here. Okay, right? So we saw urochordata, and what are the examples of urochordata, bro? Acidia, salpa, doliolum, hardemania, pyrosoma. Bro, pyrosoma is such a urochordata, that show light. They emit light, bioluminescence. Okay, they show bioluminescence. Okay, so this is all about urochordata that is required to you. Acidia, salpa, doliolum, hardemania. Now next one is cephalochordata. Let's see one example of cephalochordata also. See, this guy is cephalochordata. Okay, cephalochordata. Cephalochordata, is the pointed at both end, and as they are pointed at both end, that's why they look like. That's why we are calling them lanceolets. Lanceolets. We are calling them lanceolets. Come back to point. Now this cephalochordata, if you'll observe, cephalochordata notochordisi, cephala means head. So in their larval stage, notochord is present. Where? From head to tail. Yes, from head to tail, notochord present. And this notochord, it will be present in the larval stage also, and it will be present in adult stage also. And they have complete digestive system, bro. They have complete digestive system. right? And then pharynx have many perforated, students, pharynx have many perforated gill slits are present, right? Okay, circulation is clot type here, okay, but heart is absent. Development is indirect here also, right? So obviously larval stage present, adult stage present, right? Respiration, respiration occurs here through general body surface, through whole body surface the respiration occurs. Particularly for excretion, they have one organ that is called protonephridia. This protonephridia is formed by solanocyte. Before that, where you heard this word protonephridia and solanocyte? Phylum platyhelminths. Platyhelminths have also solanocytes, right? And then they have not any kind of paired appendages like fishes, right? What are the example? Brachiostoma, right? So we saw the cephalochordata is quite different from the urochordata. Cephalochordata notochord persist whole life. Here in cephalochordata notochord persist whole life, right? They have complete digestive system like urochordata only. Their larva and adult both are sessile. Their circulation is closed type. Urochordata has open type circulation. Urochordata had heart. They don't have heart. Urochordata excrete ammonia. They also excrete ammonia as a nitrogenous metabolic waste. Right? They use gills for their respiration. Here in cephalochordata, they respire by general body surface. Urochordata have neural gland for excretion. Hello, I'm absolutely right. Urochordata have neural gland for excretion. Right, please. Urochordata have neural gland. Yes, they have neural gland for excretion, right? But cephalochordata, they don't have neural gland for excretion. They have actually protonephridia, which have solanocyte. By that only they excrete nitrogenous metabolic waste, right? So I hope our urochordata and cephalochordata will be very clear to you all. This is urochordata, so cephalochordata, this is urochordata. So I hope these all points will be very clear to you. Remaining we'll see next video.